Are the speakers on your PC or laptop too shabby and low? Do you want to use your phone as a speaker for your laptop? Worry not, as we are here to show you how. Audio Relay lets you stream your PC audio to your Android phone over Wi-Fi or USB tethering. The app is free to use and has consistently low latency, 1 to 2 milliseconds on Wi-Fi and 0.1 milliseconds on USB. Here's how to do it. Install and open the app on your phone and PC. The links are in the description box below. Kindly ensure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Your PC will automatically appear in the Player tab on the mobile app. Tap on it to connect instantly. Now that you have connected as a speaker, to test, try playing something on your PC. Please note that by default, audio plays on both the PC and the phone. To fix this, mute your PC in the app or change the output to Virtual Speakers for Audio Relay in your PC settings. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.